Good morning, class. How are you? I'm fine too. Now, I hope you're ready for my English lesson. Previously, we learned about parts of speech and we mentioned verbs. Now, can someone tell us what we say verbs are? Yes, Levin? Right, that is true. We said verbs are doing words. They are words that show actions. Now today, the lesson is about adverbs. And adverbs have a relationship with verbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that describe how a verb has taken place, where a verb took place, and at what time a verb took place. There are different types of adverbs, but today I want us to look at adverbs of manner. Now, adverbs of manner explain how a verb happened. They answer the question how. For example, can someone give us a verb? Yes, Ian? Run, you are right. Run is a verb. Now, if you want to describe how someone ran, what words will you use? David? Quickly, you are right. So we can say David runs quickly. Now, to understand more about adverbs, I would like you to get into your groups, so that in those groups you are going to come up with words that we can use to describe verbs. I want to believe that you have come up with several words that we can use to describe verbs. Now this chance I'm giving to the first group. Can you kindly come to the front of the classroom and let one of you read for us the words that you came up with, as the rest of us listen to those words. Thank you for all your presentations, and indeed you did the right thing. Now, to even make us understand more about adverbs, I want you to listen to this conversation keenly, and as you listen in those groups, write down adverbs that you will hear from the conversation.
How do you ride your bicycle? I ride my bicycle fast. Fast. I ride my bicycle fast. How do you make your bed? I make my bed neatly. Neatly. I make my bed. How do you surf? I surf gracefully. Gracefully. I surf gracefully. How do you listen? I listen closely. Closely. I listen closely. How do you speak to your students? I speak to them honestly. Honestly. I speak to them honestly. How do you shop? I shop wisely. Wisely.
Thank you. I want to believe we have all listened to that conversation. Now from that conversation, I want you to come up with adverbs that were used. Yes, Christine, you are right. Closely. Yes, Mike. Honestly, you are also right. And the list is long. So as your homework, I want you to go and use the words that you have identified from that conversation to make sentences, which I will look at tomorrow. But just to summarize our lesson today, I have a chart displayed on the wall here to summarize what we have learned. We've explained what adverbs are. We have said there are different examples of adverbs, but today's lesson was about adverbs of manner. We have given examples. We can read together the examples. Loudly, quickly, dangerously, fluently. Then finally, I have examples of sentences where adverbs have been used. And that is the end of our lesson today. See you tomorrow.